Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Excel sheet heading step by step. Merge the top row, center the text, and apply bold with a background color to create a clear heading. Use a readable font size and add borders or a bottom line to separate the heading from data. Save a style or template so you can quickly reuse the heading format across sheets and workbooks for consistency. In this video, I will show how to make Excel sheet heading step by step. Use cell styles or the format painter to copy a heading design quickly between sheets and workbooks. Wrap text and alignment controls keep long headings readable on narrow columns, while adjusting column width prevents cutoff. Merge cells only when needed and use indentation for multi-line headings to maintain a clean, professional layout. In this video, I will show how to make Excel sheet heading step by step. Learn quick shortcuts like Ctrl+B for bold and Alt sequences to merge cells, which speeds up heading setup. Use page layout and print titles to repeat the top row on every printed page and adjust margins so the heading is never cut off. Always preview before sharing or printing to catch layout issues early.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.